Kev G weather overview looking at KSN, Kansas. A nice satellite radar presentation. And it's showing our next storm, and this will be moving through tomorrow. And the good bulk of it will be characterized by wet snow and a rain snow mix along the coast. So getting back into the wintry feel after we had a nice start to the month of March, as we're going to have to deal with some two important systems. We had a record high yesterday, and now we're dealing with the prospect of 1 to 2 inches of snow across the area. So it's getting to feel a lot like Denver, Colorado around here, if you ask me. But a lot of ups and downs with the wild weather of March, and this is a very tough month to figure out as far as weather is concerned. But if you love the weather, it's kind of fun and neat. Now, the trick with this next system is going to be how hard the precip comes down. So when it first breaks out, it'll probably be around 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, and it'll be rain and rain snow mix. But because it'll be snowing, at a kind of a light clip, and because of the warm temperatures that are going to be in place, not too Arctic around here cold enough for snow, but not too Arctic. We're going to be dealing with a situation where a lot of the snow is going to melt. That's why the key to the forecast probably is around midday when the snow rates can pick up as the low gets closer, and that's when you'll probably see 1 to 2 inches of snow, if at all. Call me skeptical, especially along the coast. Now, this will be gone by tomorrow night, and then we'll have a few nice days. Thursday, Friday look nice with temperatures rebounding quickly, and then we have to deal with our major storm for the weekend, and I don't think we're going to miss this one. And we'll get into some rain early Saturday morning, and then the question is going to be how fast the changeover to snow happens in the afternoon. My gut feeling is that most of the area will see a changeover to snow, with the quickest changeover happening, obviously, the further away from the city that you go. So by Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, the weather is going to be wicked. It is going to be very tough battling the rain and rain snow mix, especially considering that winds are going to be really picking up, especially by the time we get to Saturday night. I think we could see widespread winds of over 50 miles an hour, because this is going to be a very powerful storm, especially as it gets up to the Gulf of Maine. So, this is going to be a situation, one to be watching as far as the overall impact is concerned. And these winds will slowly relent on Sunday. I think most of the day Sunday is going to be quite breezy, but the winds will be calming down from where they were. I think the peak of the wind will be probably Saturday night, right behind the low, and then it gets quiet again. So there's a lot going on here. We have stuff to track this week. The March weather has taken a turn, and for Wednesday's temperatures, no better than 38 with wet snow around, minimal accumulation. Thursday, we shoot right back up. Same thing with Friday, couple nice days. And then by the time we get to Saturday, these temperatures might happen very early in the day, and then we watch to see that rain snow line progress through the area, and then strong winds developing for Saturday night and a Sunday. And then Sunday, much colder behind the system with highs only around 40. And Saturday night, don't forget, we have to switch our clocks ahead. How much fun is that? We'll all be throwing our alarm clocks out the window on Sunday morning. But if you are going out Saturday night, it's going to be quite cold with those winds making it feel like it's in the teens. So more wintry weather to battle, and it is coming to an end. So looking into next week, though, it may be a lot quieter after we get rid of the storm system for this weekend.